Hello, I am Candy.
Hello, everyone. Hi, I'm Hulk.
Hey friends, welcome back to Jackie AI Flow. If you're curious about powerful AI tools that can save you hours of work and even help you build passive income while you sleep, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss any of my new videos. And make sure you stick with me all the way to the end, because if you skip even one tiny step, you could miss the exact trick that makes your video go viral. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to create a viral hook video that stops people from scrolling, using Nano Banana and V3, and then supercharging it with sound effects from ElevenLabs. It might sound complicated, but trust me, once you see how simple this is, you'll want to try it right away. All right, let's start from the very beginning. I've got my original video open inside CapCut. It's just a simple clip of me sitting and working at my desk. Here's the first trick. Scroll to the very last frame of your video. Pause it, and export that frame as an image. This is super important, because this image will be the base we'll transform inside Nano Banana. So I'll click Export Frame, pick where to save it, and done. Now it's sitting on my computer. Next, let's jump into Nano Banana. I'm using it directly inside Gemini. Click Upload and choose the frame we just exported. And now comes the fun part. We get to turn ourselves into anything we can imagine. A superhero, a robot, a mythical creature, anything. For this demo, I'll type in, "Turn me into a green alien with 2 tiny antennas on my head." Click Send and give it a few seconds. Gemini will use Nano Banana to edit the image for us. Boom, look at that. I've just turned into a green alien. If the first version doesn't look perfect, don't worry. Try a few times until you get the one you love. Once you're happy with it, click Download Full Size so you have a nice clean image to work with. Now let's take this alien image into V3. Inside V3, open the menu and select Frames to Video. Click Upload. Select the alien image we just made, crop it nicely, and hit Save. Here's where the magic happens. We're going to give V3 a clear prompt describing what our alien should do. Mine says,
Hello, everyone. I'm Ennio, very happy to talk to everyone about 2025.
and at the end of the prompt, I add, no music and no sound effects. Because we'll add our own sounds later using ElevenLabs. Then, just click Send, wait a bit, and V3 will generate a full short video from that one frame. When it's done, download the upscaled version so it looks sharp and clean. At this point, I've got 2 clips, my original human video and the alien video from V3. But right now, they just look like 2 separate clips. We need a smooth transformation between them, like I'm actually morphing from human to alien. To do that, go back to the start of the alien video and export that first frame as an image. Now we've got start frame, human, end frame, alien. With those 2 frames ready, open up Runway Gen 2. This is one of my favorite parts because it feels like real magic. Upload the human frame as your starting image and the alien frame as your ending image. And in the settings, set motion equals high to make the transformation feel more alive. Click Generate. Wait a few seconds, and Runway will create a short morphing video for you. Pick the smoothest version and download it. Then drop that clip into CapCut, placing it between your human clip and your alien clip. When you play it back, you'll see the smooth transformation, though it might feel a bit slow by default. Here's a quick fix. Select the transition clip, press R to speed it up. I usually cut it from 5 seconds down to just about 1 second. Now it flows way better. But we're still missing something. Sound. Open the ElevenLabs sound effects generator. Type in words that describe the sound you imagine, like warp, whoosh, sci-fi energy, speed ramp. It'll generate a bunch of effects. Preview them and download your favorites as WAV files. Back in CapCut, drag and drop those sound effects right at the moment of the transformation. Play it back.
Earthlings, I come in peace. Mostly, my Earthlings, I come in peace. Dance.
Anyway, any chance you have a spare galactic charger? My communicator is almost dead and I really...
So much more alive now, right? Search for Alien to try some built-in voices, or create your own using voice design. I'll describe something like a playful but mysterious blue alien voice. ElevenLabs will give you 3 samples. Just listen, pick your favorite, give it a name. I'll call mine Blue Sky 1, and save it. Back in Voice Changer, search for Blue Sky 1, apply it to your audio, and download the new version. Then drag it into CapCut, line it up perfectly, and mute the original voice track. Now press play.
Hello, everyone! I'm Neo! Hello, everyone! I'm Neo! And I'm very happy to talk with you about this year, 2025.
Ta-da! A complete viral hook video. I just transformed into a talking alien with smooth visuals and super realistic sound. It looks so good. It might not look perfect yet, but I really hope it helps you when you're making your own videos. Wishing you lots of success creating amazing content. And that's how you can combine Nano Banana, V3, Runway, and ElevenLabs to build a viral hook video from scratch. If this tutorial gave you some new ideas, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome AI content tools, and leave a comment telling me what kind of transformation you want to try next. I can't wait to see what you create. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.